This is the Uromi-Agbor road. This is Uromi-Agbor road. This is what people are going through. This is what motorists are going through along the Uromi-Agbor road, and the government doesn't care about a thing like this. It's none of their business. Uromi-Agbor road is not motorable. It's just a dead trap. It's a dead trap, and many motos have been stuck in here, and we have to take an intervention of a tow motor to be able to achieve this, to bring it out. So the road is very terrible, and this is a wake-up call for the authorities who are in charge to do something to make life at least easy for the people, especially the users of this road, people who apply this road for their daily bread. So this is what they are going through, and it seems that there is no presence of government in this place. The Uromi-Agbor road is simply a death trap and needed urgent attention. And I want to call on the good-meaning Nigerians and other people to understand that this is not something we should be happy with. It's something that we need to come together and say no to it.